Alright, hello and welcome everyone to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre fucking video. While you're watching this, Hunter's fucking audio was being goofy. I was streaming on Twitch through Xbox and for some reason his audio was like janky as shit. Anyway, was just here to let you know and warn you. Hope you enjoy. Uh, yeah. Yep.
Hunter, are you gonna be scared while playing this? You're gonna poop yourself?
No, ain't no weenie.
I know you're not a big fan of horror games, though.
I was not a big fan of Outlast. That's about it.
That's a big throwback, man. Throwback to one of my first YouTube videos when we played Outlast together. We jerry-rigged. We fucking
We got something going on.
MacGyvered a setup there. Whew.
Oh,
Fuck you, bitch. Oh, I sprint.
Oh, that's sick, Goofy. Gotta hit a little. Damn, dude.
Ooh, Leatherface was chasing me, but I bamboozled his bitch ass.
Where'd my buddy go?
Leatherface going crazy. Survive, Hunter, survive. I just opened an exit.
Where you at?
I'm like at the farthest left.
He's
I just
still
slammed the door
what?
open. I slammed the door open.
Oh, you're that way.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh!
Okay, stay quiet on that.
I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
Just, Connie. Oh, thank God you're alive.
I just. Way out? You dead?
Almost.
What is this? Thank you, God. Why are you doing this to me? Please stop.
Get away from me, you fuckface.
Oh, what the hell? I didn't know this was the fucking grandpa.
Are you out of the basement?
No, I'm not. I'm not. I don't know how to get out.
Oh no!
You got it. You got
Basement exit opened. I have to get back to the basement.
it. What's the exit? Is it up there? The red
I
one?
think it's up here. Uh-oh. Oh shit.
Benzo.
Move! 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 Fuck you, bitch! God damn it.
Danger.
Danger.
Poor Connie though.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Johnny, get me out of here. Get me out of here, Johnny.
Did they see me?
Leatherface is going fucking wild around me. Oh my god.
Yes.
I picked the lock to one of the doors.
Thank you, God.
Yeah?
I'm okay.
I'm about to be.
Okay. They're gone.
Ready? I'm about to slam the door open. You're gonna see it.
Oh, yeah, no. Whoa. No.
Ooh, I slammed it. Is that
Yeah.
you around the corner?
That's me.
Howdy. Someone escaped from the basement. Alright, honey, I'm gonna slam this door open. Oh, did you
Alright.
go out a different way?
Oh, yeah, there's over here, yeah.
Oh, finally. They left.
Wait, I'm coming back to where you were.
Others.
Yeah, come on.
Honor, you're hurt. Stick with me.
Oh, my God. He's up here.
Alright, so don't go that way.
Oh, he's getting chased off. He's good. He's gone.
Can I go up that way?
Yeah. Yeah, he's gone.
Hold on, there's a tool. There's a toolbox here. Oh, there's nowhere to hide.
Looks like some kind of...
Oh, no. Where am I at?
Shoot, move.
Oh, yeah. What the hell? Dude, you done just sliced me up, man. This sucks. Fuck this stupid game.
I'm turning the stream off. Fuck this.
You made me feel real.